This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 84 of Building the Infinity Gauntlet. This time we're finishing the ring finger. Always nice to get a finger finished. Looking at the rise of Eros. I know Eros, he's that statue over in London. Guess he's not the same one. There we go. Talking about Thanos again. Obviously it's all about the Thanos. All good stuff. Isaac. Portable time machine, that'd always be useful. There you go. So yes, this is the final part that we're going to do. Last plate to put onto there, ready for it to be attached. Once I've built this, we'll have a look at the other fingers and see how it matches up. Looking at Circe, the Eternal Avenger, practically immortal. All good stuff. The Eternals, I might watch that again. That was quite underrated, I believe. There we go. That's all of that. And Neil Gaiman, I know him. Well, I don't know him, but I've read his books. I've read some of his novels. Interesting stuff. He obviously appeared in a couple as well. Nice. There we go. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this finger finished, and then we'll have a look at it. Okay, so the final piece, exactly the same as all the other pieces. It slots over the top there, covers over all of the mysterious workings of the finger joint. I did get that flush. I didn't have the screw tightened up quite as tight as it should have been. So I'll make sure I do that properly on this one. Basically, if the screw doesn't go all the way in, then it sticks out a little bit and the bottom of the plug hits against it. So, yeah. So let's get that one in there. Just when you think you've got it tightened up, you really haven't. It goes probably a little bit further down. A little bit of backwards and forwards to break up the thread. And there you go. That's gone all the way home now. And then that one will just pop in the top, and with any luck, will look indistinguishable. See, no, that's still too high. So that screw is not in there fully yet. Although that's in there, it's not in there properly. It's still wobbling around a little bit. So let's try that again. There we go, yeah. I'm going to get another half a turn out of that. Might not be enough, but it might be. Yeah, no, I still need to go down a little bit further on that, but we'll get there. And then it will look just like that. And just like that as well. They all look the same. They're all the same size. The only differences I can tell between them are these connection points. Now this I know is the ring finger because it's the one I've just done. So this must be forefinger and index. I don't know which way round. I'm hoping that it will explain it when it comes to the joins. This is obviously further away from that one. So I reckon that's going to be there. And then that one, then that one. Probably. But we'll figure it out. I've got another finger to build first. Now, I have in fact done most of the other finger, but because of supply issues or particular issues, I've had to come back and revisit these ones. But join me next time, which is already up, for starting the next finger, and then join me soon for finishing that finger and getting it all together soon. I've got all the parts now, so I'll see you for that very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye-bye for now.